Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into how to build customer support workflows in Monday.com. First up, let's log into your Monday.com account. Your dashboard is where you'll manage your workflow. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your customer support workflow. Now that we're logged in, let's create a new board. Click on the plus sign, then select Board. This helps us because a board provides a visual representation of your workflow, making it easier to manage and track. Next, we're going to customize this board. You can add columns for different stages of your customer support process, like New, In Progress, and Resolved. This is important because each column represents a stage in your workflow, keeping everything organized and transparent. Now, let's add some items to our board. Items are your individual tasks, or in this case, customer queries. You can add as many items as you need by clicking on the Add button. This is an essential step because items help us break down our workflow into manageable tasks. Once we've added items, it's time to assign them to team members. Simply click on the Assignee column and select a team member from the drop-down list. This matters because assigning tasks ensures each team member knows their responsibilities, which leads to increased efficiency and less confusion. Now that we've done that, let's automate the workflow. Click on the Automate button, select a trigger, like when an item is created, and then an action, like moving the item to a specific column. The reason we do this is to streamline the process and save time on repetitive tasks. And there you have it. You've just built a customer support workflow in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep refining your workflow to suit your team's needs. That's all for now. Keep exploring Monday.com and making your customer service shine. You've got this. Thanks for joining me.